वो सब एक झपकी के लिए अंदर चले गए।
They all went inside for a nap. They all went inside for a nap.
मैंने इसे दूसरा मौका देने का फैसला किया।
I decided to give him a second chance. I decided to give him a second chance.
उसने अपने ख्वाबों को तर्क नहीं किया था।
She had not given up on her dreams. She had not given up on her dreams.
इसने दोनों मशरूबात का मुवाज़ना करने की कोशिश की।
He sought to compare the two drinks. He sought to compare the two drinks.
मैंने अपनी माँ से वादा किया था कि मैं आज जल्दी घर आऊंगा।
I promised my mom I would be home early today. I promised my mom I would be home early today.
इसे अपना तजुर्बा उनके साथ बांटने की जरूरत थी।
She needed to share her experience with them. She needed to share her experience with them.
मुझे इसे कंपनी की तरक्की के बारे में आगाह करना है।
I have to alert her about the company's progress. I have to alert her about the company's progress.
वो पहले से ज्यादा थका हुआ घर आया।
He came home more tired than ever. He came home more tired than ever.
जब वो घर वापस आया तो वो झुक रहा था।
He was frowning when he returned home. He was frowning when he returned home.
मैं क्लास के सामने बैठ गया।
I sat in the front of the class. I sat in the front of the class.